Waterworld, California fans.
We're here on location for our biggest thrill ever.
Breakpoint Plunge. As you can see behind us, we're nearing the end of our construction for the ride, and there's just a few minor things that we still need to do before we open the ride for you later this summer. When Breakpoint Plunge opens this summer, it'll feature a 6-story drop,
360-degree loop,
40-mile-an-hour adventure,
and 270 feet.
As construction for Breakpoint Plunge nears completion, be sure to stay tuned to our social media channels.
We're on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Hope to see you there.
Let's ride. Clear dispatch.